Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add tags behind the image using Canva. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva and I have one tags here, you can see. So let me put one image. You can upload image from here. If you have one image you can upload from here, or I can just take the image from here. Car with sky. Car. Okay, I just search for car photos. So we have this car. Okay, so now you can increase the size, okay, and make the very middle. Okay, put the image very middle. Okay, or you can resize as per your requirement. Okay, and now you can resize your text. Okay, so here the text. Okay, so I want to put this part of the text behind the image, so I need to change my color. So okay, I just take that red color here. Now select that image, copy it, okay, and paste here. Duplicate image, paste, and just keep on the. Okay, now we have the another image. Select that, remove the background. Now this car or icon you need to put at the same place as the original. You can use your keyboard arrows to put on the right place. You can use zoom in to make sure you have put into the right place like this. Okay, now it's done. Now you can see, let me zoom in. This text has been looks like it is behind the image. Okay, now you can select all elements like this and just group it. Now we can increase the size, same size, same time, and we can also move it as a group. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.